Small businesses across the U.S. are looking to the government for help amid the coronavirus outbreak, and online lender Kabbage is working to help owners get the money they need. I do now want to bring in the head of global policy for Kabbage, Sam Taussig, to talk more about their efforts. Hi, Sam. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Greta, thanks for having me. Great to be on.
How's your company working specifically with the Small Business Administration and the Treasury Department to help business owners across the U.S.?
As soon as the Paycheck Protection Program became available, Kabbage retooled the entire infrastructure of our company, the financial, the technology, and the operations infrastructure to offer an onboarding and application process to the Paycheck Protection Program with partner banks and soon us directly as a lender to facilitate this distribution of aid so that employers can keep their employees at home, on payroll, and safe while we can flatten this curve. It's really a great application of what fintech was built for, which is looking at and analyzing small businesses' data without a human interaction to validate and qualify them for, in this case, a government-backed loan.
The Senate's attempt to allocate additional funding for the Paycheck Protection Program was blocked by Democrats earlier today. How important, though, is it for Congress to get more money for that program quickly?
It's the most important thing Congress can do right now. There are 30 million small businesses in the United States that employ about 65 million Americans. This is about half of our non-farm GDP. Small businesses, their success and a speedy recovery is going to be key to not only, again, flattening the curve and helping to end this public health crisis by keeping people home, but pulling out of the economic tailspin that we're in. I mean, this is really the future of the economy here. So we've been urging Congress directly through our trade associations, through our brand partners, to properly fund the Paycheck Protection Program and do it quickly. This is not a time to delay.
Kabbage itself has actually had to furlough some employees. How will your help, though, with the PPP enable your company to rehire and recover?
It's true. We have had to furlough some folks, and we've already begun to bring them back, actually. The Paycheck Protection Program is a really big deal for Kabbage. You know, technically, we're also a small business, and we only succeed when our small businesses succeed with us. So as we've been able to roll customers through this application, we have been able to bring some folks back. Our intention is to bring absolutely everybody back that we can. And as soon as we can start to support our customers and every other small business out there, Kabbage will begin to fully stabilize. I'm confident that this Paycheck Protection Program, you know, with fintechs participating, with other non-banks participating, the bumps will get smoothed out. We will get through this. And again, as small businesses do well, so do we.
Kabbage has also partnered with Facebook to help small businesses generate revenue by selling gift certificates online to local customers. Tell me more about that program.
It's an exciting program. So any small business can go to helpsmallbusiness.com or list through Facebook. And what they're listing for here is an opportunity to essentially create a gift certificate program. And what that gift certificate does is get cash into the small business's hands today. It's not just about loans, it's about all sorts of liquidity options here. So a customer, you know, your favorite restaurant goer, for example, you can go buy that gift certificate for future use, help that small business stay in business today, pay their employees, and redeem that for a later date. We partner with Facebook. We partner with all sorts of funding partners to bring that cost down. And again, get the cash into their hands today to keep them going.
All right, Sam Taussig, the head of global policy for Kabbage, joining us to talk about his company's work to help small businesses amid the coronavirus outbreak. Again, you can visit the website you see below, helpsmallbusiness.com, for more information. Thanks so much for coming on the show today, Sam.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.